cutter blade, also known as a brush cutter blade, is an essential hardware tool designed for clearing dense vegetation, overgrown grass, and thick brush. Typically made from high-quality steel or other durable materials, these blades are engineered to withstand harsh conditions and provide long-lasting performance. The design of the blade often includes multiple cutting edges or serrations, enabling it to efficiently slice through tough plant material. Bush cutter blades come in various shapes and sizes, allowing users to select the ideal blade for their specific needs, whether it be trimming grass, cutting through thick underbrush, or managing small tree saplings. When attached to a bush cutter machine, the blade rotates at high speeds, delivering powerful cutting action that can tackle the most stubborn vegetation. This tool is invaluable for landscaping professionals, farmers, and homeowners who need to maintain large areas of land. Proper maintenance, including regular sharpening and ensuring secure attachment, is crucial for the blade's longevity and optimal performance. Safety is also a key consideration. Operators should always wear protective gear and follow manufacturer guidelines to prevent accidents. Overall, a bush cutter blade is a versatile and indispensable tool for effective land management and vegetation control.